Hello everyone, I'm back with another educational video. This will help you to learn homophones. So let's start. What are homophones? Words that sound same but have different spellings and different meanings. Sea. There are many fishes in the sea. Sea. I can see a lion. Meet. I will go to meet my best friend. Meet. I will eat meat at night. Nose. We smell with our nose. Nose. He knows how to swim. Ate. I ate cookies with tea. Ate. I am 8 years old. Buy. I like to buy fruits from the shop. Buy. I said bye to my friends. Sum. I paid a sum of $100. Sum. I bought some books. Break. I will break this world record. Break. He applied brake to stop his car. Deer. My sister is very dear to me. Deer. The deer jumped over the log. Sail. This house is for sale. Sail. The sail has to catch the wind. Sun. My son is 11 years old. Sun. The sun shines brightly. Stairs. There are many stairs in my house. Stairs. She stares at me with anger. Hair. I have long hair. Hair. The delivery man is here. Mail. I received new mail yesterday. Mail. Mail workers are busy in work. Waste. Do not waste your time. Waste. This boy has very slim waist. Write. I like to write an essay. Write. Turn right from the signal. Die. He didn't die in a car accident. Die. I dye my hairs. Wood. This chair is made of wood. Wood. I would like to see the air show. Eye. My eye color is brown. Eye. I am a girl. Root. The roots absorb water for the plant. Root. Which route this bus will follow? Wait. Please wait for me. Wait. The weight of the sack is 9 kg. Weather. The weather is cloudy today. Weather. It's my choice whether to go or no. Night. I like to go outside at night. Night. The night is very brave. Road. He rode his horse. Road. The car is on the road. Bee. I want to be a doctor. Bee. I saw a honey bee on the flower. Made. This car is made in Pakistan. Made. I have a maid at home. Week. His son is very weak. Week. There are 7 days in a week. Plane. I traveled by plane. Plane. The surface is very plain. 1. I have one racing car. 1. My team won the cricket match. There. There is a big castle in jungle. There. Their house is very big. Caught. I caught a butterfly. Caught. Baby sleeps in a cot. I hope you like my video. For more exciting videos, stay connected. Take care and goodbye.